Area 15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions across the region this morning. I see a good amount of sunshine, however, for today before we see a strong cold front move through the region for later this afternoon or the evening hours. That's going to give us a good chance of showers and thunderstorms, and some of those storms could be severe. We do have a slight risk for severe storms from the Storm Prediction Center across the area today, with an enhanced risk just off to our north and west. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a prefrontal trough currently across the Appalachian Mountains. That's giving us a little bit of cloud cover around 12 and 15,000 feet this morning. Also have a cold front that's currently across the Ohio Valley, moving into the Appalachian Mountains, and we see some thunderstorms out in front of that cold front this morning. That's going to be quickly approaching our region for this afternoon and the evening hours and giving us those showers and thunderstorms across the area. Taking a look at our current observation, we have a scattered deck at 12,000 feet, broken deck at 15,000 feet, winds out of the south-southwest at 10 knots, temperature 68 degrees, and relative humidity at 84%. So taking a quick look at the Storm Prediction Center risk area for today, you can see here at Wallops under that slight risk, the yellow here, the enhanced risk is currently across our north and west, just out of the Wallops region, including Salisbury. And the parameters that they're looking for today are taking a look at all three parameters. Tornado parameter, you see here, we're under a 2% chance here at Wallops, 5% off to our north and west. Looking at our hail parameter, or risk category here from the Storm Prediction Center, you can see 10% chance for our hail. And taking a look at the wind, looking like we're going to have a 15% chance here at Wallops, 30% chance across Salisbury, Wycomico County, and seeing a bullseye across northwestern Maryland into Pennsylvania with a 45% chance of wind. So looking like best chances today are going to be our thunderstorms moving through with a squall line with embedded areas of stronger winds as well as some hail. Now taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see we do have that cloud cover moving through the region this morning. Seeing a few showers embedded with this cloud cover across central Virginia. Not expecting any showers this morning, but with this squall line that's going to be developing and continue to move towards the area for this evening, going to see that approach, and we'll see some showers and thunderstorms develop out ahead of that. And that's when we'll see our best chances of showers and thunderstorms. And taking a look at the HERM model, it's going to show you how this convective line is going to move towards the region for later on this afternoon, the evening hours. You can see here's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, and then you can see here at 3, looking like we'll see some showers and thunderstorms developing, most likely in eastern Virginia, west of the Chesapeake Bay, and that's going to be along a Theta E ridge. That's going to give some pretty good development, some showers and thunderstorms across that area and moving into our region, most likely around 4 o'clock this afternoon and continuing on through the evening hours. You can see a line rolling through around 6 o'clock. So looking like we're going to have a fairly active afternoon, evening as far as our thunderstorms go. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, see a high around 77 today, a low tonight down to 57. We'll see winds peaking this afternoon ahead of that front. Southwest 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 21 knots. We'll see red condition for our lightning and for our rainfall after 1600 local, and that'll run to 20 local. So from 4 to 8 o'clock this evening, seeing those showers and thunderstorms in the area. So as I mentioned, some of those could be strong. Looking like the main risk categories for us will be the strong winds as well as possibility of some hail if we do see some stronger thunderstorm cores move overhead. As far as our winds go overnight, they'll be light, becoming northwesterly and then westerly at 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have a 50% chance of thunderstorms from 14 to 1600 local, as I mentioned, 80% chance from 16 to 20 local, and then a slight chance of seeing a lingering thunderstorm at 20% from 20 to 2100 local. Then by tomorrow morning, after that cold front clears, we'll have high pressure built in. We'll have clear skies across the region. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, green charts across the board after the active weather for this afternoon and the evening. We'll see Tuesday mostly sunny to partly cloudy, slightly breezy and warm. high of 79 degrees. For Tuesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, low of 54. And for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy. We'll see seasonable conditions, a high of 71 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.